Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome, I'm Rachel and this is going to be another video in my series on how to draw hieroglyphs. So if you want to learn how to write Egyptian hieroglyphs, please keep watching. So in the next few of these videos on how to draw hieroglyphs, I'll be showing you how to draw some of the most common determinatives, starting with human determinatives in this video. But for anyone who hasn't come across determinatives before, these are signs that you'll see at the end of a word in hieroglyphs that give you a bit more information about the word and what kind of category it fits into. For example, one of the determinatives I'll show you in this video is a seated woman, which is used at the ends of words about women. So for example, woman or goddess, wife, sister, daughter, or women's occupations, such as a female singer. So now we're going to dive right into the hieroglyphs, but if you do want some more general tips on how to draw the best and neatest hieroglyphs, definitely check out some of my previous videos on one consonant signs where I've included a few general tips on drawing hieroglyphs. But otherwise, let's get started with determinatives. For a seated man, the first thing you're going to draw is a circle for the head. And then underneath this, draw a line that's slightly wider than your circle and use it to make a triangle pointing downwards for the body. Then from the bottom of this, draw a right-angled triangle which goes out to the left. And then from the ends of the diagonal line, draw 2 more lines to make another triangle. And these make the legs, so at the corners add 2 small lines for the feet. And then from your top line, draw 2 bent lines out to the sides for the arms. A man with his hand to his mouth is very similar to the seated man. So start with a circle for the head and then a triangle underneath pointing down for the body. And then at the bottom, 2 triangles for the legs with little lines at the ends for the feet. Then when you draw the arms, make sure to draw the one on the same side as the legs, out and back in so it touches the head circle in the lower half. For the head of your seated woman, start with a semicircle at a slight angle, join the ends with a curved line and then go straight down and end in a small curve. Then from the top, curve out and down, and join the ends of your lines with a sort of curved triangle to make the hair. From the middle of the left side, go straight down, then curve diagonally up, then curve diagonally down. And from the middle of the right side, go straight down, then join up at the bottom with a horizontal line. The seated god determinative is basically just a seated woman with a beard added. So draw the semicircle for the face and add the hair. And then for the body, go straight down and diagonally up and down on the left, and straight down on the right, and then across at the bottom. And then near the bottom of the face, add a short curved line for the beard. Start with a circle for the head and a horizontal line just underneath for the shoulders. Then from the ends, draw slightly diagonal lines downwards, but don't join them up at the bottom. From the bottom of the left one, draw a line diagonally down to the left, curve around at the bottom and go back horizontally, just past level with the bottom of the other line on the right. Then join these up with a diagonal line and add a short line for feet. Draw a slightly curved line out from the shoulder on the right and another from slightly lower down for your arms. And then near the bottom, draw a loop and a line downwards to tie the arms together. For this determinative, again start with a circle for the head, but this time we're drawing the body out to the right rather than underneath. So draw a sort of vertical line and then 2 diagonal lines, leaving them open at the end. Then from the end of each of these lines, draw a line diagonally down and to the right, and make sure these do join together at the ends. Then at the bottom, add lines diagonally up and to the left, with short lines at the ends for the feet. From each shoulder, draw a line going downwards and then at a right angle out to the left for the arms. And from the top of the head, draw a zigzag down to meet the ends of the arms. So that's all for this video, but don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.